What is mortgage redemption insurance? Sinasabi nila pag may loan ka or plano mo kumuha ng condo, kailangan mo magbayad talaga ng mortgage redemption insurance. Later, I will discuss kung paano magkakapera diyan sa utang na yan. Again, mortgage redemption insurance, this is required by banks before approving your housing loan. So this will ensure that the loan will be paid in case something happened to the insured or the borrower. So the bank will benefit from this as well as the insured or the mortgage owner. Paano? Kasi yung bank magbe-benefit kasi nga naman may insure na mababayaran yung loan mo sa kanila if something happened to you. Kasi yung insurance ang magbabayad sa bangko nung remaining mong loan. Advantage naman din sa'yo kasi if something happened to you, hindi ma-oblige yung maiiwanan mo na bayaran yung loan na iniwan mo, yung utang na iniwan mo. Kasi wala naman silang pambayad nun eh. At ang mangyayari, if something happened to you, pwedeng kunin ng bangko, ma-foreclose yung property na binayaran mo ng ilang taon dahil nga something happened to you at hindi na matutuloy ng pamilya mo yung pagbabayad. Imbis na meron silang titirhan, makukuha ng bangko dahil hindi na bayaran. Pero with the MRI, dahil bayad na nga yung bangko doon sa loan, ia-award na yung property sa beneficiaries mo. Paying MRI to the bank is like waste of money. Because after you have fully paid the loan, you also have finished the MRI or mortgage redemption insurance. And then later, I will show you that we can have a MRI that is reusable. Kasi borrowing is temporary eh. But you will always be buying and loaning after you have finished one property, correct? Kailangan talaga ng MRI or mortgage redemption insurance. Bukod sa protection ito para sa mga home loans, protection din ito para sa family mo. 'Di ba? Let me give you an example. For example, bumili nga ng condo. TCP or total contract price of the condo is 5 million for the condo unit. 'Di ba nakikita nyo minsan may mga ads na pre-selling condo, no down payment, no interest, low amortization. Kaya nila yan sinasabi kasi ganito nangyayari yan. Hindi mo kailangan mag 20% down payment. 20% down payment is required by banks, more or less 20, minsan 30% required by banks para i-grant ka ng bank loan. Or if with pag-ibig, para i-grant ka ng pag-ibig loan, kailangan na bayaran yung 20% ng property. And then, what the developers do para hindi mabigat para sa atin bayaran yung 20% ng 5 million, which is 1 million, ang ginagawa, gagawin mong 5 years to pay yung 1 million. 1 million divide 60 months, which is 5 years, that's 16,000 per month. So makikita mo, only 16,000 per month rent to own. 'Di ba? Condo unit. 'Di ba? So, sabihin mo, ay, at 16,000, kailangan ko lang mag-reserve, tapos meron na akong, pwede na ako magbayad 16,000 a month, pwede na mapasakin yung property. So, ganun ang nangyayari. Kasi, you will pay the down payment for 5 years. And then, after mo babayaran yung 5 years, ayan na, turnover na. Pwede nang i-turn over sa'yo yung property. Or yung condo unit, pwede mo na siyang lipatan. Pero, I mean, sakto yun eh. Kasi pag pre-selling, binuhukay pa nila yung condo, tinatayo nila for 5 years. Pagdating ng 5 years, nakatayo na yung condo, sasabihin sa'yo, tapos na po yung building, tapos na yung condo, pwede na kayong mag-turnover, pwede nyo nang lipatan. Ngayon, upon turnover, kailangan mo nang bayaran yung remaining balance, which is 4 million. Eh, wala ka namang 4 million cash, di ba? So, what you need to do is you need to loan sa bank or sa pag-ibig for the remaining 80%. Ngayon, sa banks, para makapag-loan ka ng balance na 4 million, banks require borrowers to have MRI or mortgage redemption insurance. 'Di ba? So, yung mga MRA kasi na pwede mong i-avail sa bank, Yun yung tinatawag na tapon pera kasi you only purchase that MRI for that certain bank loan. Kumbaga, 10 years mong babayaran per year yung MRI na binibenta ng bangko. Pero after ng loan mo, tapos na rin yung MRI mo, baliwala yung binayaran mong MRI. 'Di ba? If wala namang nangyari sa'yo, 'di ba? Pero, there's another way. You can secure an insurance policy or what we call a variable life insurance para gamitin as MRI. Kasi if you have a policy, you can use that policy to reassign that to your loan as an MRI. So, for example ha, balik tayo dito sa example natin na 5 million. So, kung sa simula pa lang, pinili mo tong unit mo for 5 million, 'di ba? Nagbabayad ka 16,000 per month for 5 years. Sa first year mo pa lang, kumuha ka na ng insurance mo, na insured ka for 5 million. Pagdating ng turnover mo, pwede mong gamitin yung policy mo yan as an MRI. Pwede mong sabihin sa bangko na, meron na akong existing policy, insured ako for 5 million or for 4 million, kahit mas mababa eh. Basta at least yung balance na iloloan mo sa bangko, yun yung insurable amount mo. So, pwede nyo na akong pahiramin ng pera. I have my existing policy. I-reassign ko lang yan sa inyo para yan ang MRI ko. And then you don't need to charge me for an MRI kasi yan na yung gagamitin kong MRI. O diba, nakatipid ka? Hindi ka na kailangang mag-pay ng additional monthly for the MRI because meron ka ng existing policy na gagamitin mo as MRI. Ito ang mga benefits ng variable insurance. Of course, insurability kasi nga insured ka. Whatever happens, kahit hindi pa yan na nababank loan, kahit nasa pre-selling stage ka pa lang, insured na yung property. So whatever happens, yung property na yon secured na mapupunta sa beneficiary mo. 'Di ba? Kasi insurance lang ang magbabayad. Also, increasing insurance coverage. Kasi, ang tinatawag na variable insurance, meron yung cash value eh. So, as years go by, for example, initially insured ka lang for 5 million, pero dahil tumutubo yung money, it is actually invested in mutual funds. For some time, like after 30 years, hindi na lang 5 million yung insurance mo. It could be 30 million. Depends. Depends on how the cash value, kumbaga, tumubo eh. So, it has an increasing insurance coverage. Tataas yung coverage mo as time goes by. Investment potential. Kasi nga, it's like savings and investment eh. Kumbaga, yearly mo, binabayaran yung, yearly or monthly mo binabayaran yung insurance na yon. Pero, there are cash values. So, para mo siyang investment na tumutubo. 'Di ba? Hindi ka lang nag-invest sa real estate. Pero yung mismong policy mo, another investment na rin. And it's an all-in-one plan. 'Di ba? All-in-one. Nagamit mo na siya as MRI for your real estate. And then, life insurance mo na rin siya. Kasi after you have paid the loan, ibabalik naman yung policy sa'yo eh. Meron ka pa rin life insurance, di ba? Kumbaga, ang daming purpose. And also, retirement benefits. Kasi nga, after you have completed the loan, na ibalik na sa'yo yung policy mo, still, tumutubo pa rin yon, may cash value pa rin yon. Maybe at your retirement age, at age 65, pwede mo na siyang i-withdraw and gamitin for your retirement. You can arrange it as a lump sum or you can arrange it monthly or yearly na marireceive mo like a pension. Diba? Or it could also be your fund source. Kasi, for example, natapos mo na yung MRI variable insurance mo for 10 years, tapos mo nang bayaran yung bank loan, balik na sa policy, Dahil sa cash value nun, it could be your fund source. Kailangan mong mag-start up ng business. Kailangan mong ipa-renovate yung property, yung lote na binili mo, gusto mong patayuan ng dream house mo. You can use that cash value for your fund source. This is also tax sheltered investment. If something happened to you and the cash benefit will be given to your beneficiaries, kung insured ka for 5 million, 5 million marireceive as a check ng iyong beneficiaries. Walang estate tax or anything, 'di ba? Tax sheltered, tax free. Kung anong amount, kung insured ka, yun eksakto marireceive ng beneficiary mo. And lastly, lifetime relationship with your financial wealth planner. Ito ang advantage ng pagkakaroon ng variable insurance compared to MRI that you can purchase in a bank. Kasi with MRI, kumbaga sa bank, doon ka nag-purchase ng MRI, kasama na yun sa monthly amortization mo sa bank eh. Kumbaga, yun na yun. Kumbaga, insurance lang siya na binabayaran mo. Pero when you get this type of MRI with a financial wealth planner, this is a lifetime relationship. Tutulungan ka niya eh on how you achieve financial freedom. First, nakapag-purchase ka ng iyong ng iyong property using your MRI. Then after you finish your loan, um, pwede kayong mag-usap ulit kung ano pa yung mga priorities mo in life. What if you get married and and you had kids and you want to start an educational plan for your kids, or as time goes by, gusto mo na rin mag-start ng retirement plan mo. Kumbaga, all stages of your life, your financial wealth planner, like me, will be there for you. I'm like a BFF for you. And even if something happened to you, magmamaalam ka man dito sa mundong ibabaw, I'll be the best friend that you never had, because if you were insured, I'll be the one to give that check, that 5 million check to your family para yung bunso mo is makapag-aral, makapagtapos kung ano man ang gusto niyang course kahit wala ka na. That is a legacy for you. Ayan. Ganyan ang advantage ng variable insurance as an MRI. And lastly, I would like to leave you this quote: loan is temporary problem and borrowing is a permanent problem. Kasi guys, if your credit standing is good, your bank will ask you to restructure your loan or increase your loan. So, kapag in-increase yung loan mo, you need to increase your insurance coverage, di ba? Or when you are done with your loan, because you're a good borrower, you're a good payer, they will ask you to take another loan. Natapos ka sa isang property, sa isang condo unit, natapos mong bayaran yung loan mo. Siyempre, bibili ka na naman ng isang property. Sabihin mo, ay gusto ko naman mag-purchase ng house and lot. 'Di ba? So, maglo-bank loan ka na naman. Pero ang maganda, yung MRI with the variable life insurance that you've used as an MRI for that first property, pag natapos mo yung bank loan, ibabalik sa you can reuse that for another property that you will be purchasing. Unlike doon sa MRI for that certain property lang, natapon pera. Kasi nga, once natapos mo yung loan mo, wala na rin, tapos na rin yung MRI mo. Pero if you have variable unit link as your variable insurance or MRI, you can reuse it whenever you purchase another property. Ayan, ganon kaganda.